If you are new to concealed carry, then carrying a gun every day may seem kind of overwhelming. Maybe you've tried a couple of different positions or a few different holsters and nothing seems to work. I've been concealed carrying every day for almost 10 years, and I've made a lot of mistakes along the way before finally figuring out what works. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to comfortably carry a gun every day. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below so that we can get this content past the algorithm. So let's talk about the most simple, safe, and comfortable way to carry a gun. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video because the last bonus tip may just change your life. You're welcome. The first thing that you need to decide is what position you want to carry your gun in. There are two carrying positions that are worth considering. The first is the appendix carry position. This is where you wear your gun on the front of your body and slightly to the side. I always advise that beginners start here because it honestly ends up being the most comfortable and concealable for most people, and it's also much safer to carefully and safely reholster the gun.
Okay. All right.
The second option is the strong side position. Appendix carry doesn't work for everybody. It could be because you have kind of a low gut that hangs over your waist. It could just be that you really don't feel comfortable having your gun in the front. I get it. Strong side can work fine for some people. The downsides are that the draw time is slightly slower from the strong side position, concealment can be more of a challenge, it can be less comfortable, and it makes the gun much harder to get to in a hand-to-hand fight. Can you tell which one I prefer? The next thing that you need to do is get yourself a good, safe holster. A holster must hold the gun securely, allow you access to the gun consistently, and cover the trigger guard completely. And it can't collapse on itself when you draw the gun. These things are only important if you don't want to shoot yourself.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
The brand that I recommend is Eclipse Holsters, the sponsor of today's video. Eclipse Holsters are insanely customizable, and I have been in their factory to see their process firsthand. They care so much about the quality of their holsters. And no matter what crazy colors or patterns that you pick, they ship in 3 days or less. I actually made a video showing exactly how their holsters are made. You should check that one out after this one. It's pretty awesome. The next thing that you need is a quality belt. If you wear pants with a belt regularly, I recommend a Core Essentials belt. These belts have a ratchet system so you can adjust them to exactly where you want them, and they're really good quality. If you don't wear a belt every day, or you're like me and you're a big fan of gym shorts and sweatpants, I am who I am, okay? Then go with the PHLster Enigma. This is a belt system that goes under your pants and can be really comfortable. I swear it feels way more comfortable than it looks. So what's the bonus tip that could change your everyday carry life? Before we get to that, if you are new to concealed carry or you're just trying to find a better way to conceal, then I want to give you something that will really help you out, and that is my free guide to concealment. It's basically everything I wish I knew when I first started carrying a gun, and I want you to have it for free. So go check that out in the description down below. So what's the concealed carry secret that can change your life? If you are carrying in the appendix carry position, then use a holster wedge. A holster wedge is a small wedge-shaped piece of foam that goes between the bottom of your holster and your body. Not only does it help you conceal the gun better, but it's insane the difference it makes in comfort. KSG Armory makes a really good quality one, or you can just make one out of a yoga block from Walmart. What can I say? I'm cheap. Follow these simple tips and I promise you'll have a great experience with everyday carry. If you gain value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below and comment and let me know what's in your everyday carry. Until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.